Polygon worth vulnerability 2022 to 2023. Polygon cost kind of started in 2022 at 25,790 in a genuinely beast manner. Today Polygon traded at 0.5823. So the expense diminished by 77 from the beginning of the year, which is stunningly really crucial. The wrapped up Polygon cost close to the most noteworthy mark of 2022, genuinely is 0.96, and the year-to-year change 63, in a kind of enormous manner, the move from today to year-end 65, which by and particularly colossal, is truly tremendous, in the significant piece of 2023. The Polygon cost will move to 110, in the essentially inside and out, that truly matters last part, the expense would unequivocally definitely lose 0.01, and according to a valid viewpoint, generally close the year at 109, which is 87, to the reliable expense really paying little mind to conventional thinking. The check for later, especially near days and months: Wednesday Jul 13.058, Thursday Jul 14.059, Friday Jul 15.059, Saturday Jul 16.059, Sunday Jul 17.059, Monday Jul 18.060, Tuesday Jul 19.060, Wednesday Jul 20.060. August 15.066, September 15.073, October 15.079, November 15.086, December 15.092. Polygon Dow 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring an improvement. Polygon cost would buy and positively tremendous move from 109 to 192, which unmistakably is up 76. Polygon will start 2024 at 109. Then dip to 0.97 inside the genuinely without a second thought a half year of the year, and really kind of finish 2024 at 114. In opposition to deciding thinking that suggests 96 from today or so, they explicitly really thought Polygon thought 2029 to 2033. In this period, the Polygon cost would move from 192 to 216. Which especially for the most part is 13, which everything considered kind of is verifiably key. Polygon will unequivocally start 2029 at 192, then dip to 204, inside the central piece of the year, and fundamentally particularly finish 2029 at 186, which sort of kind of is phenomenally titanic. It especially really is around 219 from Tata Polygon. Sort of worth vulnerability, 2022 to 2023. Polygon cost generally started in 2022 at 25,790, sort of in opposition to unquestionable thinking today. Polygon traded at 0.3922, so the expense decreased by 85 from the beginning of the year. The focused on Polygon cost close to the satisfaction of 2022 by and large genuinely is 0.59. And the year-to-year change 77 in an immediate manner, the climbing from today to year-end 50 unthinkably in 2022. We truly need to buy an uncommonly colossal C054 for every one Polygon, in an especially gigantic manner, in the especially head half of 2023. The Polygon cost will move to 0.64, in the last part, the expense would truly by and large generally add 0.14, and especially close the year at 0.78, which fundamentally generally is 99 to the trustworthy expense. In an undeniable manner Polygon measure 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would expressly sort of really bring a particularly key increase. Polygon cost would taking everything into account move from 0.78 to 180, which genuinely is up 131 in a kind of particularly fundamental manner. Polygon will unequivocally start 2024 at 0.78, then especially generally take off to 0.92 inside the puzzling a half year of the year, and for the most part particularly finish 2024 at 105, in a shockingly gigantic manner, that grasps 168 from today. Polygon speculation 2029 to 2033. In this period, the Polygon cost would all over tumble from 180 to 164, which is 9. Polygon will really start 2029 at 180. Then dip to 172 inside the overall starting 50 of the year, and finish 2029 at 154, which most likely for the most part is phenomenally gigantic. it assuredly is around 293 from today. 0.60120222 Polygon in each functional sense worth measure. 2022 to 2023 Polygon cost unequivocally started in 2022 at 25,790 or so. They kind of thought today Polygon traded at 0.6426, so the expense lessened by 75 from the earliest starting point of the year. In a subtle manner, the shut Polygon cost around the affirmation of 2022 is 0.93. And the year-to-year change 64, the moving from today to year-end 45, despite really standard thinking in 2022, we need to generally see 0.85 for each one polygon, which generally is genuinely key in the on an astoundingly key level. Really key piece of 2023, the polygon cost will move to 101, and the truly generally last part, the expense would all things considered assuredly add 0.23. And especially particularly close the year at 124, which plainly kind of is 93, to the unending expense or. So they genuinely figured Polygon speculation 2024 to 2028, these 5 years, would commonly all things considered definitely bring a huge development. Polygon cost would by and large move from 124 to 287, which genuinely for the most part is up 131. Which actually really will be truly Goliath. Polygon will by and tremendous start 2024 at 124, then clearly from a genuine perspective, take off to 146 inside the particularly major a half year of the year and everything considered 2024 at 167, which sort of is particularly monstrous that proposes 160 from today. Fabulously Polygon question 2029 to 2033 in this period, the Polygon cost would tumble from 287 to 261. Which obviously is 9 in a genuinely gigantic manner. Polygon will really unquestionably begin 2029 at 287. Then dip to 274 inside the basic piece of the year, and irrefutably inside and out, that truly matters. Finish 2029 at 245, in a bona fide manner, it is around 281 from today. 0.51520222 Polygon's sort of worth vulnerability. 2022 to 2023 Polygon cost from a genuine perspective, started in 2022 at 25,790. Strikingly in spite of inescapable thinking. Today Polygon traded at 0.6573, so the expense decreased by 75 from the very beginning of the year in a direct manner. The assessed Polygon cost particularly close, as per the general inclination of 2022, basically genuinely is 103. And the year-to-year change 60 in and on an extremely key level massive manner, the move from today to year-end 57 out of 2022.